Hi friends, presenting you the Beehive Smart Power Strip with 4 universal sockets. You can connect your appliances with it and control individual appliances using a simple mobile app from anywhere in the world using internet and your home Wi-Fi router, and even without internet when you are at home. Okay, so let's switch on the device. So I have switched the device on and you can see the light is glowing. This shows that the device has been switched on. Now I am opening the app. You can see the 4 buttons which are for individual sockets. Let me operate these devices individually. The bulb is switched on. I have switched it off now. Secondly, the fan. So you can see I have switched off the fan. And the third device, another LED bulb. This bulb is switched on now. I have switched it off. Now the app is directly connected to this device. That means I am operating it directly without using internet, or you can say it in offline mode. I can also connect it to internet via my home Wi-Fi by long press on this and selecting connect to Wi-Fi. So I am connecting it to Wi-Fi, that's HLPL, and I am writing my password. So now you can see that one light has glowed, which shows that it is connected to Wi-Fi. Now within few seconds the second light will also glow on, as the Wi-Fi router is connected to the internet. The second light is also glowing. That means it is connected, the device is connected to internet also. Now the device is online and now I'll be controlling it via internet. So you can see and the third one switched on and switched off. Thanks for watching this video. You can contact us for more details.